Laser cutting machines are a versatile solution to various industrial and commercial challenges. With the right laser cutting machine, industrial and commercial organizations can satisfy their needs for engraving, cutting, or marking a variety of different materials with technology that characteristically outperforms the competition. As you know, laser engraving is essential. Laser marking is widely used in many countries. Laser engraving is prevalent due to laser devices. A laser is chiefly an electronic device that uses the process of electromagnetic radiation amplification. A laser is a foremost system that is ultimately used to mark a specific number. Laser cutting and engraving machines help after the use of laser marking. We have listed the 5 best laser cutters and engravers in order of price. So here you will only find the best of the best listed.
Here top of zone, we are a bunch of researchers and testers. We test, analyze, research new products and create our list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so that viewers may know about new products. Our goal is to create proper shopping guidelines so that our viewers can make proper decisions.
Anycubic is primarily a brand of 3D printers that also happens to deliver a few hybrid and 2-in-1 laser engravers that can be an awesome option for various DIY projects. It supports both 3D printing as well as laser engraver using the same platform. Even then, you get a decent engraving size of 220mm into 140mm with it. It's not your typical multicolor printing per se. The machine grants you to stop printing at a specific layer, manually replace the filament during pause, and proceed to print with another color. You can pause the device for filament replacement up to 6 times in a single printing session. Speaking of the construction, it provides a great build quality along with a 1-year-long warranty. You also get various safety certifications like UL, CE, and FCC with it. All in all, the Anycubic Mega Pro enters at an outstandingly affordable price considering its functionality. Overall, with such a device, you can create a unique artworks, prototypes, household items, props, and much more. If you are looking for tools and machines made for heavy-duty usage, then you should consider ORTUR since it also offers high-end laser engravers. ORTUR's Laser Master 2 laser engraver enters at the second position of this listicle as it's the largest laser engraver stated here. Thanks to its given engraving size of 400mm into 430mm, you can virtually print any design or pattern of your choice. The pixel accuracy of the ORTUR Laser Master 2 can also be freely adjusted to ensure the image quality is delicate and accurate. You also get a 32-bit motherboard with this laser engraver that is handy for easily loading high-detail designs. There is a G sensor on the motherboard. If the machine detects unauthorized movement, the laser beam will stop. Overall, this is a great little machine. It's easy to manage and the engraving is accurate. Moreover, the size of the work surface will allow you to engrave a variety of wood boards. Affordable, reliable, and user-friendly Atomstack A5 high-quality professional laser engraver can turn your imagination into reality at the speed of light. It provides fixed-focus laser head, unique eye protective enclosure, scale lines on both the X-axis and Y-axis, and intelligent security auto-protection system. The all-metal structure design makes the A5 machine more solid and improves engraving precision. The entire structure has been designed for quick assembly, and assembly can usually be completed in 10 to 20 minutes. The laser protective cover perfectly protects your eyes, filter UV light for 97%. You and the people around can watch laser engraving without wearing goggles. Even its big advantage is that it can engrave on objects measuring 410 into 400mm and gives more useful extras. While combined with its 20-watt laser, you can easily engrave any design or pattern of your choice on almost any surface. So if you want to start engraving by laser, the Atomstack A5 set is certainly worth a recommendation. The Snapmaker is a unique design that lets the user experience three technologies at once at a very affordable rate. The company claims to have added various features to make the machine friendly and useful. The beautiful looks and sturdy body talk for reliability and trust among users. With a modular design, the 3-in-1 3D printer will impress many. The printer gives a build space of 125 x 125 x 125 mm and supports different materials including but not limited to PLA, ABS, etc. The filament diameter supported is 1.75 mm. To accomplish the job of CNC carving, the work area is limited to 90 x 90 x 50 mm. The machine boasts a 3.175 mm shank diameter and 19,000 RPM of spindle speed. The laser engraving module has a 200 MW laser capable of burning design into wood, leather, and similar materials. Ease of use is another core proposition with the Snapmaker 3D printer. It has an LCD touchscreen for operation, is simple to assemble, and comes bundled with the proprietary Snapmaker 3D software. Overall, its price is very affordable and would suit anyone to use it for specific purposes. Laserpacker makes a wide range of tools and machines that rely on powerful lasers for various DIY projects when being fairly compact. This Laserpacker laser engraver enters at the third position of this article because it's one of the smallest options out there that uses a foldable design for on-the-go usage. Being a compact laser engraver, it's given engraving size of 100 mm into 100 mm to be expected. Also, it has 0.15 mm accurate light spot and high-quality 405 nanometer blue-violet laser, making accurate precision engraving. This tiny laser engraver includes a wide range of safety certifications including CE, ROHS, CDRH, FCC, FDA, and IEC. Laserpacker also includes a 1-year-long warranty with a sturdy laser engraver. Overall, it is fun and easy to use. You can go as creative as you want. And you know this thing is really portable, you can basically print anywhere, anytime.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.